Why? What happened? I don't know. Why you don't know?
Ma'am, I don't know. I was able to give the IIT exam properly, but then I couldn't give the bio test.
Now, all good, all fine.
Yes, ma'am, I gave it.
Okay. So, I think all of you has joined it. There is one more new admission, I guess. That there are many students today. Yeah, open your camera, all of you, please. No, only two of them have opened it. Yeah. Thanks for my advanced birthday wish. I think this is my last class tonight. This after this also there is a class now.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
A very good afternoon, Adikans, right? Yeah, Adikans, no, right. Okay. Hi, Rupesh. How are you? Hi, Lakshadip. And okay, we have many people. Hi, Ayush. How are you? This is your first class, I guess, with me, right? Everyone has on their camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Adikans has on. Ananti, where is my Samasya Mantri? Yes, Samasya Mantri. ना कोई नहीं चलेगा मैम network issue and all. I don't want to hear that at all. Okay, just open your camera. That's it. Shuttija ka? Shuttija? Lakshanya? Shuttija आ गई, Lakshanya आ गई, Ananti, Lakshadip, Lakshanya. Hi, Kshitija. Okay. So we have number of students right now. Okay, so we have all of you has opened it. Few students have not opened yet, I guess.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I ask
Yes.
a thing that chapter 7 is going to start from starting? Tissues, structural organisms in animals.
Yeah, exactly. I've just started it. It's a third or fourth class, bacha. Okay. But yeah, as I have told you, that just go with my videos lectures. Okay. After that, if you have any query in the weekend, I'll arrange a class for you. Only me and you are on that class. Okay. We'll be having fun. We will have gossip about others. Okay. That in that class. Okay. Cool about it?
There are lot of lectures.
Just a moment, okay? Your voice is very cracking. Just a moment.
Okay, ma'am.
Just a moment, huh? Let me connect with my headphones and then I'll get back. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, there are more than 15 video lectures.
But that video lectures having only 2, bacha. That thing, this is the second chapter, I guess, which we have started. Okay, that this lectures is compiled.
Animal kingdom.
Exactly. Okay, so let's do one thing. Animal kingdom, maybe there are 2 to 3 repetitions only. Okay, so just go through that chapter in once. Okay, and then in the weekend I'll arrange a class with you. We'll be having gossips. Okay, we'll be having full-on gossips. Okay.
So, ma'am, which topic you are going to teach today, ma'am?
That is an Adipocytes. Last time we had histamine and serotonin, no? Right? Where is Ananti? Where is my Samasya Mantri? Is she here? Yes, Samasya Mantri.
Ma'am, I have connected it with my network with mobile data, so it's quite unstable right now.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I ask for a favor? Ma'am, can I ask for a favor?
Yeah, sure.
Ma'am, till the time other students are joining, can you give me the brief explanation of this chapter till that time?
Okay, this is a very good topic which we have. This is a very good help you wanted to say. Okay, this chapter is all about the cells. Okay, and the tissues. And that is, there are different type of. There are four major type of tissues. What are these four major type of tissues? That is epithelial tissue, right? Connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissue, right? And now. Who can I say? Tejas is going to tell me about the epithelial tissue. Yes. What you understood by the epithelial tissue? Yes, Tejas. हमने अभी तक क्या क्या पढ़ा? What we have read in till now in an epithelial tissue. Tell me.
There are 4 types of epithelial tissues.
Okay. Name
They
that.
are squamous, cuboidal, cylindrical, and ciliated.
समझ आया अधिकांश? Get it? What we are trying to teach you that in an epithelial tissue there are four major type of, right? What are the four major types? That is
Squamous
squamous,
cuboidal
epithelium, exactly,
columnar
and
epithelium,
ciliated.
epithelium.
Right. In that also we have been simplified that it is a simple epithelium and a compound epithelium. What is a simple epithelium, which is made up of the single layer, and what is compound epithelium, that consists of two or more than cell layers, right? Now in a simple epithelium there will be simple squamous, simple cuboidal, simple columnar, and pseudostratified, right? Got it? Are you getting it, all of you? Right. Now that's the simple epithelium. Now इसके बाद will be having connective tissue. Connective tissue, maybe we have different type of it. What are the different type of connective tissue? Yes.
Ma'am, you have said in epithelial tissue we contain two types of tissue: simple epithelium and compound epithelium. That's right. And ma'am, you have said that in simple epithelium, we have simple squamous, and just we apply simple word in front of these epitheliums. That's it.
That is, this is made up of the single layer. Okay. Simple squamous is basically made up of a single layer of cells. They help in diffusion, whereas the compound epithelium is basically more than two cell layers. That is stratified, pseudostratified, columnar, and pseudosquam. So that is, जिसको भी stratified आ रहा है, that is the two more than cell layers. Okay. Connective tissue में we have loose connective tissue, dense connective tissue, and specialized connective tissue. Okay. That is areola. Now the loose connective tissue is being divided into areolar and adipose, and your dense connective tissue is dense regular and dense irregular, right? And the skeleton connective tissue is cartilage and bone, and the fluid connective tissue is blood and lymph. Okay, Ayush, this is the first class of yours, no? Right? Are you comfortable in English or you are comfortable in bilingual?
I'm comfortable in both.
Okay.
As
So,
you
Bacha, you and Adhikansh, okay, I'll be arranging a class in weekends for you, and I'll be covered the all the topics which you have missed till now. Okay? Okay, agree on that part, both of you?
Thank you.
Right?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
That's a big help.
Yeah. Right. Now we'll start with the mast cell कर रहे थे हम लोग, right? In the last topic we'll be doing the mast cell, right? Okay. Yeah. Okay. So basically, your mast cell is an amoeboid in shape, right? Your mast cells. Just a moment. Let me change the color of them. The mast cells. No, the mast cells are amoeboid in shape. Right. Now these are like basophils. Basophils
Ma'am, mast cells are parts
of
of
blood
static.
in structure and function. Now, in these cells, S-shaped nucleus is present, right? Which is divided into 2 or 3 lobes, right? Now, then there will be 2 to 3 lobes which will be divided in their cytoplasm. Basophilic granules are present, which can be stained with basic dye methylene blue. What is the meaning of this sentence? Do you guys know that? Just a moment. Let me open it. I can't see you people. Just a moment. Now I can see you. Right, now I can see you. Just a moment. Now can you see this screen? Right. In the cytoplasm, basophilic granules are basically stained with a dye with a methylene blue. Okay. Lakshdeep want to say something. Hello ma'am, can you arrange for a weekend class as it is my second lecture? Yes, Lakshdeep, you, Adikach and Ayush, you 3 people, and who other wants to join it, they can also join it. They're most welcome. Okay, so not an issue on that. So this will be that in the cytoplasm, जो basophilic granules हैं, they get stained. They got stained का मतलब that they get that color of a blue color. When you see under the microscope, you will see that it will be stained with the blue color granules. Get it? Got it? Everybody? Ayush? Lakshana? यहाँ तक समझ आया? Now, it is basically, it is the most important cell within connective tissue proper. As their function is now, we'll be starting with the histamine. Histamine. Now, histamine is a amino acid derivative, right? That it is a vasodilator. It is a vasodilator which dilate blood vessels and increase blood circulation of that area. ये मैंने लास्ट क्लास में तुम लोगों से डिस्कस करा था, राइट? नाउ when an allergic substance enter into the body, right, enter into the body, mast cells stimulate and secrete histamine. So a part of comes out from blood capillaries right, and basically with RBCs, with WBCs and accumulate in intracellular spaces. Right, now this part of blood is known as excudate. This part of blood, it's called excudate, right, which causes swelling. Because of this exudation, this excudate causing swelling, right? Get it about it? Now this type is known as an inflammation. You all can get it. My point is that whenever an allergen enter into the body, mast cell stimulates. Mast cell, if mast cell gets stimulates, just a second, there is one public chat. Yeah, I'm repeating it. Okay. When the allergic substances enter into the body, for example, Ayush is allergic to peanut butter. Okay, or for example, Lakshana is allergic to pollen grain. So that will be enter into the body. When that will be enter into the body, mast cell get activated and they secreted the histamine and serotonin. Histamine first of all, right? Now the histamine is a part of the blood that comes out of the blood from capillaries with the WBCs. जैसे ही mast cells, whenever the mast cell get stimulated, it secretes the histamine. Now the histamine is the part of the blood that comes out from the blood capillaries, right? Now with the WBCs and accumulate in that intracellular area. Okay, बीच में cellular to cellular, intracellular space में they will be accumulated, and that excudate is known as called as excudate. That parts of blood which get accumulated in the intracellular spaces. Get it? Both of you, all of you. Let's call it कि तुम्हें यहाँ तक समझ आया नहीं आया. Then tell me, no. All of you get it?
मैम
Yes.
मैम मास्ट सेल्स भी ब्लड में प्रेजेंट होते हैं या इंट्रा सेल्युलर स्पेसेस में?
नहीं, ब्लड स्पेसेस में प्रेजेंट होते हैं ना. इंटरसेलुलर स्पेसेस मतलब समझ ही नहीं है क्या बोल रही हूँ.
मैम मतलब हम मास्ट सेल्स को एक टाइप से WBCs बोल सकते हैं?
नहीं, हम मास्ट सेल्स को एक टाइप से WBCs नहीं बोल सकते. मास्ट सेल इज अ डिफरेंट आइडेंटिटी. ठीक है, मास्ट सेल which is a part of a connective tissue. ओके, मास्ट सेल क्या कर रहा है? मास्ट सेल सिर्फ हिस्टामिन सीक्रेट कर रहा है जब भी एक एलर्जन हमारी बॉडी में एंटर करेगा. दैट इज एन एंटीजन एंटीबॉडी रिएक्शन, दैट इज नोन एज एलर्जी. हमने पढ़ी थी, राइट आनंदी? Mast cell is
Yes,
a different
yes,
type of
ma'am.
identity. Okay, it's an.
Okay.
I can show you that what is a basophil. It's look like this. S-shaped granules होते हैं. Okay. There will be basophilic granules. Right? Got it? Got it, all of you? So किसने नो करा? अधिकांश ने नो करा है. लक्षद्वीप ने नो करा है. ओके, लक्षद्वीप एंड अधिकांश का तो खैर चलो फर्स्ट क्लास है तो इसलिए उसने नो किया है. ओके, व्हाट अबाउट लक्षद्वीप? यस, लक्षद्वीप. क्या नहीं समझ आया? लक्षद्वीप, कैन यू प्लीज ओपन योर कैमरा एंड स्पीक प्लीज? Yes. Yes, Lakshadweep, speak please. I can't hear you. Could you please write it? Okay, you please write it and then I'll solve your query. Adhikansh, what did you do? What? क्या नहीं समझ आया?
To be honest, मेरे को शुरू से ही नहीं आया.
शुरू से ही. See, this is your first class, okay, and you are in the middle of the class right now. Okay, that is why I said that we will be arranging the class at weekend. Okay, so abhi there is a subtopic which is going on. It is not a fresh topic as well. Okay, so this is the issue with you. Okay, so let me finish it at this time. Okay, and because middle of the thing I won't be each and explain because today I have time only an hour. Okay, you have next class as well. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, I'll be explaining it each and everything. Okay.
मैम मैम वैसे ये जो आप मास्ट सेल्स है मैम कौन से टॉपिक का है ये?
Connective tissue proper.
मैम एनसीईआरटी में तो ये है ही नहीं.
हाँ, ये मैं एनसीईआरटी से नहीं पढ़ाती हूँ, ये मेरे नोट्स हैं. So you need to write these notes. Okay, and soon it will be updated in your panel as well. Okay.
Ma'am, can you send these notes in Telegram?
Okay. Okay. Now the next cells will be an adipose cells. Now, adipose cells क्या होता है? Adipose cells are the दुश्मन of women. अब तुम लोग पूछोगे कैसे दुश्मन होता है ना? तो adipose cells are the fast tissue, right, which is just beneath your epidermis. There will be an bone motile cells that is known as adipose cells. इसकी वजह से हमारा पेट जो निकल के बाहर बिल्कुल गिरते हुए होता है, ठीक है, हमारे हाथ बिल्कुल मोटे भैंस से होते हैं. मैं भी सब मोटी भैंस हो रखी हूँ, क्या कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. These are just because of adipose cells. Okay, now let's start with the adipose cells. Now, adipose cells, oval shaped cells which stores fat. Right, now fat are collected in the form of fat lobules fat globules is formed by the fusion of small oil droplets, right, and on the basis of, do you get these 2 points of a, right, All of you, adipose cells are oval in shape which stores fat. Now the fats are collected in the globular form, right? And it is formed by the fusion of small oil droplets. Small oil droplets get together and they form a lobules. Okay, which will be stored in your oval shaped cells. That is known as adipose cells. Get it? Get it? All 3 points are clear? Now, on the basis of the number of fat globules, adipocyte, okay, that means adipocytes. These are the cells are of two types. अब तुम लोग पूछोगे adipose cells and adipocytes are same. Okay. First of all, there are monolocular. अब monolocular से तुमको समझ आ रहा होगा. You get to know mono means one, right? Now, monolocular adipocyte. Now, ये क्या होता है? Now, in these cells, single, large, and central fat globule is present. That means single large fat globule is present in an adipocyte. Okay, समझ आया? Now आगे बढ़ जाते हैं. Nucleus and cytoplasm is spherical and cytoplasm is less in amount. That means if it is present in, just a moment, I just need to clear this point that if a nucleus, if fat globule, it is present centrally, right, and it is large in number, so nucleus and cytoplasm is in peripheral and cytoplasm in less in amount, so that the fat globule can take its place. Okay, get it? Now let's see the query of Lakshadweep. Ma'am, can you please send all the notes on Telegram, including this chapter and the previous chapter? Cool, done. Okay. You all guys get it? No. Due to compression of fat globule, right? Now, nucleus become flattened in shape. These adipocytes form white fat. Okay, now what is this white fat which is made up of monolocular adipocytes? Right, now second will be multilocular adipocytes. That means in these cells, many small flat molecules or globules, right? There are many small fat globules, right, are distributed in the cytoplasm around the nucleus right? Now cytoplasm is more in quantity यहाँ पे क्या है, यहाँ पे स्मॉल गोप्यूल्स है जो कि स्कैटर्ड हो रखे हैं, स्मॉल स्मॉल, राइट? नाउ इधर क्या है, इन दिस सेक्शन देयर विल बी more cytoplasm in quantity, right? Now the nucleus is rounded. Nucleus is rounded and found in center. And also these adipocytes form brown fat. Brown color is due to cytochrome pigment. Brown color due to cytochrome color, right? Then will be lymphocytes. Lymphocytes are the fighting cells. What are the lymphocytes, by the way? Who is going to tell me about the lymphocytes? Let me see कौन कौन है. Ananti, Adikansh, Ayush, Chittija, Lakshan. Okay, Adikansh, can you tell me what is lymphocytes?
WBCs, ma'am, maybe. Not sure.
Yeah, that will be a WBC spot. Okay, that is an A granulocyte. It is an A granulocyte. Okay, Rupesh is going to tell me about the types of lymphocytes. Yes. Yes, Rupesh? Yes, Rupesh? Can't hear you. B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. Heard about it? That lymphocytes are of B cells and T cells. No, lymphocytes के बारे में देख लेते हैं. Lymphocytes are amoeboid in shape, right? And with large nucleus and cytoplasm is present, right? As peripheral layer. Cytoplasm quantity is less. Obviously, its function is to produce. क्या हो सकता है इसका function? Produce, transport, secrete antibodies. Right? They are divided to form the plasma cells. They divide to form plasma cells of connective tissue proper. Right? Now, we'll study about there is also a clear cytoplasm. Now, this is it. This is a lymphocyte. I'm drawing it, and this is clear cytoplasm. right? Now, then will be the plasma cell, that is cartwheel cell. Now, what is the plasma cell? Heard about it before? What is a... Yes, anybody?
Blood plasma.
Sorry?
Blood plasma.
Hmm. Can you be more specific, please? These are also known as the plasma. You are correct, right? This is amoeboid in shape. Right. And also in these cells, rounded nucleus is present in which chromatic material arranged like spokes, that is radial rows. Right. Now, so they are also known as cartwheel cells. ठीक है, मतलब क्या हुआ इसका? This is, suppose this is connective tissue and this is a spokes, that is a radial rows. This is a cartwheel cell, like nucleus. According to the scientists, right, these cells are formed by the division of lymphocytes. They form by the division of lymphocytes. So they are also known as clones of lymphocytes. They are not the bacha which is present in blood. Blood has a plasma, that is a fluid, that is not a cell. Okay? Get it? Get it, all the things?
Yes, ma'am.
Fibroblast cells are those cells which basically form a collagen fiber. Okay, that is in your connective tissue.
Ma'am, what is
ठीक है?
collagen fiber?
Collagen fiber is a proteinous substance, बच्चे.
Protein.
Which is protein. It is a proteinous substance, tubular structures, which is present in your connective tissue. Right? Right. Now we'll talk about the fibers now.
मैम lymphocytes और प्लाज्मा सेल ये सीटी कनेक्टिव टिश्यू प्रॉपर के अंदर ही आता है ना? और अगर ब्लड प्लाज्मा नहीं है क्योंकि वो फ्लूइड होता है तो फिर ये कहाँ प्रेजेंट होते हैं?
प्रेजेंट तो ये आपका कनेक्टिव टिश्यू में ही होता है, समझ रही है? हेलो अनंती, ये प्रेजेंट आपका अनंती, ये आपका प्रेजेंट कनेक्टिव टिश्यू के अंदर ही है, प्रॉपर कनेक्टिव टिश्यू जहाँ पे लिम्फोसाइट्स होते हैं, ये वहीं प्रेजेंट होंगे प्लाज्मा सेल. ओके, गेट इट? समझ आ रहा है अनंती?
थोड़ा थोड़ा आ रहा है.
ठीक है, थोड़ा आ रहा है मतलब अनंती?
मैम पता नहीं, मतलब थोड़े बहुत डाउट्स आ रहे हैं, पर एक बार वापस पढ़ूंगी तो क्लियर हो जाएगा।
क्या डाउट्स आने बता। अभी यही सो थोड़े बहुत तो डाउट्स होते हैं जो मुझे सुनने हैं, जो नहीं हो पाएंगे।
साइटोक्रोम पिगमेंट, उसका क्या यूज होता है मैम? मतलब वो क्यों प्रेजेंट होता है? साइटोक्रोम पिगमेंट जो ब्राउन फैट बनाता है, मतलब वो
That
सिर्फ
gives the colors
मूवीज
to
के
it.
लिए।
That is a color pigment only. That is not a specific reason of that.
तो वाइट फैट को उसका कलर भी
Yeah, see,
साइटोक्रोम
some are like a flat, जो कि एक type का जो fat. There are two type of fats, no, which can be soluble and which can be insoluble. Okay, so these can be differentiate on both, which are fixed one, which is very ready to get off, and which is one of the one which will be for a time being fat. Okay, so this will be differentiated on that. Okay. Get it, Anandi?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है। कौन? हाँ जी लक्षदीप। इसका नेटवर्क इशू बहुत है आई गेस। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द कोलाजन। ओके, समस्या मंत्री क्लियर हुआ चीजें?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, और एक बार अगर तुमको क्लियर नहीं है तो मैं तुमको दिखा देती हूँ। ठीक है, रुक जाओ। रुक जाओ, मैं तुम्हें व्हाइट फैट और ब्राउन फैट में डिफरेंस दिखाती हूँ। ठीक है, सिस्टम मैं दिखाती हूँ। तुम लोगों का कहाँ है ये टिश्यूज? You can see the screen now. That picture. White fat and brown fat. Difference. You all can see the screen. See, store the big oil droplets that I have told you about it. That this just a moment. ठीक है, basically this fats कहाँ गए तुम लोग? सॉरी। See, yeah, you are here. So समस्या मंत्री, जो फैट जैसी मैंने बताई कैसे तुम लोगों को डिफरेंशिएट करता है व्हाइट एंड ब्राउन. व्हाइट वन इज द बिगर ऑयल ड्रॉपलेट्स एंड स्मॉलर वन इज द स्मॉलर ऑयल ड्रॉपलेट्स. दैट मींस व्हाइट फैट जो है वो ज्यादा देर के लिए बॉडी पे रहेगा एंड जो परमानेंटली विच विल बी, एंड जो स्मॉल फैट्स जो ब्राउन फैट है दैट इज टेम्पररी वन. ओके, दिस इज मोर अबाउट इट. मेरे को पिक्चर्स दिख नहीं रही हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंगली, जस्ट अ मोमेंट. Yeah, can you see this? White में there are one big molecule, lipid droplet. One either they are having a brown fat energy burning. Okay, get it?
Yes, ma'am.
अब समझ आया समस्या मंत्री?
आ गया मैम, समझ.
Ma'am, but which type of fat is stored in adipose tissue?
Sorry?
Ma'am, which type of fat is stored in adipose tissues?
That is insoluble fat. तभी तो स्टोर हो रहा है.
Okay, ma'am.
That is दो टाइप के फैट होते हैं, ये सारे एडिपोज सेल्स में ही होते हैं. ओके, दैट इज व्हाइट फैट एंड ब्राउन फैट, दे बोथ आर इन एडिपोज सेल. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
Let's start with the now can we start with the fibers now? That will be appropriate. Fibers आज start कर देते हैं. ठीक है, छोटा सा ही टॉपिक है, खत्म हो जाएगा. Fibers are the one will be the collagen fibers. They are bright and white fibers composed of collagen protein, it is present in maximum quantity in vertebrates and collagen, and only collagen fibers constitute 1/3 part of it. They are wavy and tough fibers arranged in bundle. Bundle is also called as the fascia. They are basically convert into gelatin. किसमें convert हो जाएगा? Gelatin. Now it is also being divided into the elastic fibers and reticular fibers, right, and the matrix. Now elastic fibers पढ़ लेते हैं. Elastic fibers they are yellow in color and composed of elastin protein. ठीक है, they are highly resistant to chemical. ठीक है, समझ आ गया ये चीज. रेटिकुलर फाइबर also known as they are the reticulin protein. रेटिकुलर फाइबर्स को हम रेटिकुलर प्रोटीन भी बोलेंगे. Now
ये
this,
सब कोलाजन
हाँ
फाइबर्स के ही पार्ट हैं.
हाँ ये सब टाइप्स हैं फाइबर्स के. कोलाजन फाइबर्स खत्म हो गए, इसके बाद जो हम पढ़ रहे हैं वो मतलब देयर आर 3 टाइप ऑफ फाइबर्स, कोलाजन फाइबर्स, इलास्टिन फाइबर्स एंड द रेटिकुलर फाइबर्स. They are not part of collagen fibers. Okay, collagen fibers are known as white fibers, whereas your elastin fibers is known as yellow fibers. Okay.
Okay,
Now they are made up of reticular protein. Now in these fibers there are maximum elasticity. Obviously, elastic fiber है तो elasticity ज़्यादा होगी इनमें, right? When boiled, they do not dissolve. अगर ये they do not dissolve, right? Now ground matrix पढ़ लेते हैं. This is the last topic. फिर उसके बाद types of connective tissue proper आएगा. ठीक है. That is C part is your हमने fibers पढ़ लिया. Then matrix that is composed of mucopolysaccharide, which is present in the form of hyaluronic acid. Okay, get it? यहाँ तक बात क्लियर हुई? कोई भी डाउट यहाँ तक? Ma'am, if suppose a person drinks a bottle of oil, so will it be the white fat or the brown fat? See, that is composed of mucopolysaccharide, which is present in the form. It will be okay. No, it depends on its metabolic rate. ठीक है कि उसका मेटाबॉलिज्म कैसा है, उसकी वर्क एक्टिविटी कैसी है. ठीक है. So some of it will be converted into white one, and some of it will be converted into brown one. Okay. Yeah. Now किसी को अब मुझे ये बता दो तुम लोगों को.
Repeat the matrix part once again.
Composed of mucopolysaccharide, ये जो ground substance है, ठीक है, that is made up of mucopolysaccharide, which is a part of, which present in the form of hyaluronic acid. Okay, right? Now अब तुम लोग मुझे पोल करके बताओ तुमको आज की क्लास कितनी समझ आई. ठीक है, कस्टमाइज पोल. मुझे पता है अधिकांश को तो 0 समझ आया होगा, बट स्टिल मैं 0 तब भी मान रही हूँ. 0, 50, 60, 80 to 90 और 100. चलो पोल करना स्टार्ट कर दूँ. सबको 6 बच्चों 2 बच्चों को 100% समझ आया और एक बच्चे को 50% समझ आया. कौन है 50%? आयुष को 50% समझ आया. उसकी पहली क्लास है इसलिए. ओके, ठीक है. मैम, मास्ट सेल इज प्रेजेंट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ व्हिच एसिड? Matrix is in the form of hyaluronic acid. Which acid? Hyaluronic acid. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. और कुछ कोई डाउट तुम लोगों को अगर हो रहा हो तो?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या डाउट है बताओ.
मैम डाउट थी मैम कल बता दो कौन सा टॉपिक पढ़ रहे मैं उसके लिए प्रिपेयर करके रखूंगा.
ये स्ट्रक्चर फंक्शनल यूनिट, ये स्ट्रक्चरल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड एनिमल्स. ठीक है, चले फिर क्लास खत्म कर दे. Shall we end the class then?
Ma'am, next class we will going to study about muscle tissues.
नहीं, अभी हम लोग कनेक्टिव टिश्यू फर्दर पढ़ेंगे, इम्प्रॉपर भी तो पढ़ना है। या ओके, और कुछ? कोई भी हाय हेलो नहीं मैम, बात कर लेते हैं। नहीं नहीं, नॉट इंटरेस्टेड मैम, पढ़ाओ और मैम जाओ। मैम मतलब तुम इतना बोरिंग बच्चा क्यों है भाई? मतलब कोई भी नहीं। मैम डिड यू गेट एनी माइथोलॉजी बुक? यार पटीक ना दीक्षित करके आती है, ठीक है, बट ना वो मुझे नाम याद नहीं आ रहा, मेरे पास वो बुक है नहीं। आई हैव आस्क्ड अबाउट माय फ्रेंड, ओके, whenever my friend is going to tell you, I'll just text you, don't worry, ओके। यस, चलो ठीक है, फिर लेक्चर एंड करते हैं। थैंक्स, हैव अ नाइस डे, बाय, टाटास, सी यू।
Thank you, ma'am.
वेलकम, बाय बाय।
Happy birthday in advance.
Thank you, bye, ma'am.
क्या कह रहे हो?
Happy birthday in advance.
Oh my god, समस्या मंत्री। There will be a next class also? Let's see. तुम लोग की क्लास 11th है ना? वेडनेसडे हो गई 3 से 4। तुम लोग की तो क्लास ही नहीं है। ओह माय गॉड। चलो सबके सब मुझे एडवांस में विश करो, क्योंकि अब हमारी क्लास नहीं, हमारी क्लास नेक्स्ट वीक है। चलो, ये भी नहीं मैम, हम एक मीटिंग रख लेंगे, हम आपको विश कर देंगे। मेरे लिए कुछ नहीं, मतलब कुछ भी नहीं, बेकार इंसान है। हाँ बताओ अनंती।
व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज कर देंगे फिर ऐसे।
नहीं नहीं, टेलीग्राम पे ग्रुप पे कर देना, मैं समझ जाऊंगी, मुझे मिल जाएगा। ठीक है, ओके, बाय बाय, बाय, थैंक यू, बाय बाय।